Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we have a very large piece of rippled ash on the lathe. So we're going to mark out here for the mortise. And now for the foot. Alright, so we got the camera turned around and the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to round. The first tool we are using is the full-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we are just going to start by getting it to round. And now we're going to go round the bottom and take it to the bowl shape. Going right up to the foot. And now we've switched to the mid-size finisher to take a few final cuts. And there you go. Going to move that tailstock out the way. And now we're going to work on the mortise and the foot. So the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size detailer, just to mark out where the foot is going to go. Clear it all out with the #1 hollower. Flatten the foot off with the mid-size rougher. And flatten out the mortise. And back to the detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck. There we go. As you can already probably see, there's still a pencil line there, so we're going to turn the lathe back on, and we're going to go back to the mid-size rougher and get rid of that, and make sure that foot is properly flattened as we wanted it. We want to give it a slight undercut so it sits on the edges of the foot, so the bowl doesn't wobble. And there you go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding here, so I'm just going to sand up to 240 grit here with Klingspor Abrasives. I often get asked what sanding attachment this is. This is the Hope Pro sander, available from Simon Hope. We're going to clean the grain off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And some Hampshire Sheen matte sanding sealer. And now some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Just wipe this all over very, very liberally. And then you buff it in until you have a clean paper towel. And you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go, just rub it in, let that abrasive break down. There you go. Nice little wipe off. There you go. Alright, on to the next step, which is some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. So you're going to wipe this all over. Start the lathe on slow. Make sure you get nice even coverage. Then turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200. Let the solvents evaporate. And then what you want to do is buff it in. Build up that heat. Don't push too hard. You don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on.
I see what you're doing to me now. They lie, they steal, they fooled us. Deep down I probably knew this. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger.
And there you go. Alright, so we've got the bowl turned round now, and we're going to start by hollowing. First tool we're going to use is the mid-size rougher to take that face off. One of my favourite cuts this is, reveal the nice clean wood.
They made us lose our focus. The very same hands that
And probably why I did it twice.
go build a better tomorrow. For you I'd make it a rainbow. I think I will be holding on to
Alright, and on to the number one hollower.
love is blind and no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. With you by my side, I'm not worried. I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty
And here is the full-size finisher.
can keep me away from you.
Take out any ridges.
Think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one told us. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you were bright white gold.
Just cleaning up this rim here. And there you go.
They tell us what to do. They tell us what to think. Can someone stop them?
There we go. Just moving the tool rest. Just checking the inside, the lumps and bumps, and on to the sanding. So once again, we're just going to sand to 240 grit, and I'd already done most of the rest of the sanding off camera. Alright, clean the grain once again with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol.
They tell us what to do, they tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness? Use your hands and you will see. Yeah, right we wanna be.
Some sanding sealer.
They tell us what to do, they tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness? Use your hands and you will see. Yeah, right we wanna
Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Once again, put it all on liberally, all over. Then you wipe it all in, let the abrasive break down until you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit.
They say that we are young and helpless, but we're just young and restless. They say that we are young and helpless, but we're just young and restless.
There you go. And some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. Wipe it all over, turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 after you've wiped it all over. Build up that heat whilst buffing it in. Being careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on.
Nobody told me to settle down.
And there you go.
Late nights don't get around.
Here are some pictures. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like, click that subscribe button, and if you like any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. Until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.